Open mockup in Photoshop. Here is the 3 editable fabrics. On the right side, you can see layers with each fabric. Tap double-click on this text to change the design. Drag and drop here your design. You have to cover all this grid with design so you can duplicate the layer with design or stretch it if you want to. This way you can adjust the scale of the image on the fabric. After covering the grid, tap Enter and close this window. So fabric and 3 is filled with the design now. Let's paint fabric and 2. For this fabric I want to add just plain color. So I'll just fill the grid with a pink rectangle. Enter close. And fabric N1 I also will fill with design. Duplicate layer. Enter close. That's all. Save as choose JPG and name it as you want.